welcome to Tech GH, and in today's video I'm coming to show you how to set up your Socksip application. Alright, so open your Socksip. Okay, so this is the interface of my Socksip application. Let me restart the config. You go to import and import/export. Reset config, then click on reset config to reset the config. Okay, now to set up your Socksip application, you need to turn on your mobile data. Okay, and you need to know this, you need to have at least a small data bundle, at least a 30 to 45 megabyte data bundle will be enough. After turning on your mobile data, type on settings here, type on it. After typing on it, come to request tunnel here, type on request tunnel. After typing on request tunnel, come to the last one, which is UDP requests, and type on UDP request. After typing on UDP request, type on configure UDP requests. Type on it. After typing on it, this will pop up. So you come to end port. This one, click on end port, delete the one, and type in 65535. 65535. Then tick this box here, enable binding. Tick on the box. Okay, after ticking the box, then you come on save settings. Click on save settings to save the settings that you have made. After saving the settings, that's not all. You will come to this crown, the yellow crown here, type on the yellow crown and wait for it to load. Please wait for it to load. After loading, there will be a bunch of servers here that you are going to choose. So you will go through and choose your preferred server. I will be choosing USA5. You can also choose server that you prefer. I prefer USA5, so I would click on USA5. So after clicking on the USA5, this will pop up approve video bonus. A reward video added will be loaded and displayed to gain access to the server. Do you want to see the ad? Then you click on yes. Then you will be watching a 30 seconds ad. So let's wait for it to load. Okay. Please wait and watch the 30 seconds ad. Please. Okay, we are done watching the 30 seconds ad. You click on reward granted. Okay. Loading. Server added. Thanks for support. Now you can go back and then click on start. And then click on start for it to connect. So okay, as you can see, you skip the video. Click on skip video. To skip this video, click on this. Okay, now our Socksip has now connected. So that is how to connect or to set up your Socksip application. If you find this video helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell, so whenever I drop a new video, you will get notified. See you in my next video. Thank you.